Ha! You cannot get up here. Oh no, he can! Alright, I wanted to try this one. The Broken Ghost. Let's go! Wait, can I choose any or do I have to be Loba for it? I don't know. Choose any? You use Bloodhound? No, but no, let's play Loba because this is her story. Even though I don't know how to play Loba. Alright. Oh. Hey, wait, what? Oh, I cannot use Loba for it?
You made the right choice this time.
Can I do this again and again or just once? Wraith it is. Follow Loba's instruction. This is a spot. Watch your back and follow your marker to find the first piece of artifact. Okay.
The pieces nearby.
Oh! Proceed cautiously. We weren't alone here. Ah, baba. Oh, where's that? Ah! Mommy! Ah! Okay, I wasted a lot. Oh, that one. Okay. There's another one. Ah! Ah! Why do I hear something else? Ha! You cannot get up here. Oh no, he can! He can! Shotguns are your friend and double tap. Reported for animal abuse. Hey! Just double tap. Okay, I didn't get anything from that. Oh, it's a body shield. Oh, there's a. Mommy! Oh, there's another one! Ha ha ha! Oh, there's another one! The artifact is. I can hear you! Oh. Oh, I have an R9. R9. Oh, but we don't have enough ammo. But I like R31. I mean, I love, what is this? P20. Alright. Everyone is late. Hello, Play Haru. Wait, Haru? Is that you? That's why the shotgun is your friend. Ah! Oh, I see one. Ha! Kill them before they reach me. Oh, okay. Ah! Why is there a different one? Okay. Why are they evil? What is that? Remain vigilant. The noise will attract the local wildlife or worse. I hear something. Mommy! I'll get in. Ah, okay. Alright, okay. Head back to the ship. Okay. Ah! Why are there so many of you? Ah! Go on the roof. I made it. Sorry. Sorry. I'm sweating so bad. No, let's hit this one. 320 modes and never got hit once. Too easy. Oh my god, Akira. Hey, Daydreamer. 5 seconds. Oh. Yes, I made it. What happens if you fail? Cranky clown. Okay. You had this meeting in Loba, the lovely. People being social, can you welcome to your students? The point is, I'm cranky. You're in a bad mood. I say as I hand rate her a platini. Loba knows her mom's secret. And what's gonna do for me? Help me run faster. Can you do that? I've been studying it. Looks like it's using my trade. It needs to be half. That wasn't a question. Only reason I went to an awful place was to make sure none of you ended up in a body bag as caustic experiment. I don't know about you, but if I order someone to be tea, but I just calling you. It's just letting you know. So what's up, and walk away. Her more in 34. Follow her lady door private reconnaissance. She's not telling us everything. I've heard her telling someone. You go from home and think they know each other. A date? Guan Wei Cha. Does the girl know what she's getting herself into? I'd say she's annoying because hi I had to turn. I'll tell you know this girl, she doesn't think I'm doing a session sure. You know, I say this, I really not. And it's going every time, so I'll tell you, need to find out needing 10 Loba and how. She's tortured. I have to wear pants. Wait a little wait, she's watching Ate Mouse right in Bangalore. I'm intense. I know better than else. I say I know better than to answer your question. Her face has a point. Nerds and banks. This worked up. If I were Loba Andrade, I'd be shaking my thigh highs because I know. Still, she's sent Loba packing. Nice actually. I bought a car, a detached chaperone. Oh, okay. Okay, all right. We're done. We're good. What happened? Oh my god. Okay, that was I was sitting so bad. I don't know what to do. See, I didn't even know what to do because I wasn't reading it properly. That was scary. Wait, you play this only once? Kazu? Hi? Only once?